Device Lab presents Best PC Cases of April 2024. Discover streamlined cooling and versatility with the DeepCool CC560 V2, featuring spacious interiors and multiple fan setups to keep your PC running at peak performance. Elevate your build with the Lian 011 Vision White, an eye-catching case that combines aesthetic appeal with functional design, including ample room for customization and superior airflow. Embrace the pinnacle of case engineering with the ASUS ROG HYPERION, designed for enthusiasts seeking robust build quality, integrated cooling solutions, and cutting-edge features for a top-tier gaming experience. Don't forget to subscribe to Device Lab and check out our full video breakdown to see which PC case is the best fit for your build this April.